It's definitely a surreal moment as a photographer to get the chance to see polar bears in the wild. We're at the Seal River Heritage Lodge in Northern Manitoba. We came here to see these polar bears. My typical workflow is chasing down these epic landscapes. Coming up here to Manitoba, that epic view has just turned into this living animal. It's one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so we definitely have to take caution, and the Churchill wild guys have done a really, really good job securing us, making us feel safe around polar bears. We don't want to affect the polar bear's behavior, so it's been this big balance that we need to find while trying to get the best shot. Beluga whales have been super exciting. Some of them swam up to us on the boat. So there's polar bears out front, belugas underneath. Quite surrounded by the wildlife around here. Super special experience to be able to see all these natural elements coming together in one place.